Hello guys, this is Barry J. So for today's vlog, I will teach you how to make your Android phone go faster. So just simple, go to your settings, go to the bottom part of your settings, and you can see About Phone. Tap About Phone and go to Software Information. After that, you go to Build Number and click that as many times as you can until you can reach the password. Okay, here you go. So this is the password. Then you have to key in your password. Next. Then after that, guys, so already turned on. Then go back, and go to the bottom part. You can see developer options. Then after developer options, you're already here. Find the animation something. Wait, let me see. Yeah, this one, Animator Duration Scale. So this is 1 times, so you have to adjust it to 0.5. Okay, and it's already okay. So back. So look, it's even faster now than before. All right, so thank you so much, everyone. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share. See you again next time. Goodbye.